Are your creative apps crashing due to the Vulcan Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for Vulcan Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Vulcan Library, a specialized Creative Vulcan audio module. It manages the unmanaged hardware-level communication for high-end creative sound cards. It facilitates the orchestration of EAX effects and spatial audio manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Vulcan is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-Input, or X-Audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Vulcan library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. It is important to avoid manual installation of Vulcan Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the Diagnostic kit linked below for Vulcan library references. If you've regained access to Vulcan Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.